Pumanaw man ay nananatiling buhay ang alaala ni Secretary Jessie Robredo sa lahat ng natulungan niya. At kabilang na po dyan ang Missionaries of the Poor dito sa Naga City. Narito ang report ni Mike Enriquez.
Ito ang Missionaries of the Poor sa lungsod ng Naga. Imbis na bumili ng bulaklak, donasyon para sa institusyong ito ang kahilingan ng naiwang pamilya ni DILG Secretary Jessie Robredo. Napalapit na kasi sa puso ng kalihim ang pagtulong dito. 1992 pa unang nakilala ng Missionary Brothers ang nooy alkalde ng Naga.
He was introduced to us by the good Archbishop Legazpi, who welcomed us to this place. And both Archbishop Legazpi and Secretary, then Mayor Jessie, were very concerned about the poor and the plight of the poor. So we as a religious organization, we offer charitable services for the poor.
Nakasanayan na raw ni Secretary Robredo ang pagbisita sa Apostolate Center na naitayo sa tulong niya.
He has been a great moral support to the community. As a mayor for 18 years, as you know, he has always been there for us if there is any need administratively or whatever. Plus also, from time to time material needs. But the main thing is that you can see that he had a heart for the poor, concerned. Like for instance, during the times when we have typhoons, he will always drop by and make sure that things are okay here.
Amin mismong nasaksiyan ang simpleng pamumuhay ng Missionaries of the Poor Brothers. Bukod sa pagdarasal, abala rin sila sa pag-aasikaso sa apostolate na nagsisilbing tirahan ng mga batang inabandona at may kapansanan. Maging ang mga matatandang walang tirahan at may problema sa pag-iisip, kinukup-kup nila. Ang bagong silang na sanggol na itong pinangalan ng John the Baptist ang pinakahuling natulungan ng mga misyonaryo. Iniwan ang batang ito sa sementeryo at muntik pang kainin siya ng aso. Ang hindi inaasahang pagpanaw ng kalihim ikinagulat ng institusyon. Pero ang kabutihang ipinamalas ni Robredo at patuloy na ipinapakita ng kanyang pamilya kailanman hindi nila malilimutan.
He had that impact of where Jesus says that when you give alms, let even not your left or your right hand know. He helped as much as possible, but leaving it knowing that he's not helping just human beings, but he's helping Christ, who continues to suffer among the poor. So he just says, I'll give whatever I give for the Lord.
Para sa unang balita, Mike Enriquez reporting.